Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and we are currently doing my prokaryotic cell lab. And these amazing students have learned what the different structures and the functions are of the bacteria. So I'm gonna have them share with you what they just learned.
So the cell membrane is the thing on the outside, and the cell wall is also the same thing, and the capsule is that little thing right here with everything inside, keeping it from all flopping out.
The string inside is called the nucleoid. It's its DNA, and it helps it tell what to do.
This soap inside of the cell is supposed to be the cytoplasm.
The bees inside here are the ribosomes that make protein.
This stuff is the pili, and it helps the cell attach to other cells.
This is the flagella. It helps the bacteria move.
We are now making an edible version of a prokaryotic cell. Wow, science is so amazing. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Bye.
Lab Rat Academy, for all your homeschool science needs. Hands-on labs are fun, you'll see at Lab Rat Academy.